In Porto, the energy transition is visible in the everyday neighbourhood life. Homes, schools and public buildings are becoming part of a new local energy system. Like many European cities, Porto faces rising energy costs, aging buildings, and the challenge of reducing emissions while ensuring the transition benefits the people and communities who already call these neighbourhoods home. In the Ascend project area of Lordelo do Ouro e Massarelos, the city is piloting a renewable energy community that can make the clean energy transition more affordable, more inclusive and more community-driven. The ambition is significant. 15 renewable energy systems and a projected reduction of 936 tons of CO2 emissions every year. On some sites, solar installations are already operating, like the D. Lano housing complex, local schools, a municipal police station, and the Armando Pimentel swimming pool. Others, like in Lordelo and Multiplier, added new photovoltaic installations with 854 kWp of solar capacity across more than 500 homes. At the same time, Porto is also investing directly into the housing stock. In the Dr. Nuno Pinheiro Torres neighbourhood, refurbishment works affecting more than 1,000 houses are underway, supported by an investment of around €7 million. But the lessons from Porto are not only about solar panels or housing stock. For residents to benefit from shared energy, they first need to understand how the system works, why membership matters, and how the community can participate. That is why tenant meetings, renewable energy community presentations, and membership collection became part of the rollout. Today, the community includes 70 households and is continuing to grow. The work also extends into schools and public spaces through environmental literacy sessions, climate activities, and gamified learning programs. Porto shows that a renewable energy community is not only a technical project. It is a way of bringing together solar energy, housing renovation, citizen participation, and social inclusion into a shared district-level strategy. Ultimately, the energy transition becomes stronger when communities are not only connected to the grid, but actively involved in shaping the process itself.